So today I'll be showing you how to create your own stylized AI generated logo completely for free using Microsoft Copilot and Canva. Let's get into it. You'll want to go to canva.com, create an account. It's free, completely free. You use the personal free version. Press on create a design. Use the logo style or size. Click on text. I like to use a huge sail font, the upper part. It had good results for me, so I like to use that. Ungroup it. Delete the sail part. Don't need that. Make this smaller in case your name or word is larger. This is really pretty much for like if you have unique names and stuff you want to use in your logo. This is what helps the AI to understand it. So start with quotes. Write your name. This is my screen name for my stream. All the links will be down in the description, and I'll also plug in my my stream channels there too if you want to follow and leave a like or whatever. That would help. Let's get back into it. So you got your name, put your quotes, stretch that out so it fits completely. Make sure it's centered. I'm sure it always helps. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to make it centered and move it more precisely. Change the color to black. That's probably preference based, but I like to put it black. And you'll press on file here, and you'll be able to just download that right here. Download, use PNG, and you download that. I already have one downloaded, so I don't need to download it another time. And now we'll go to Copilot. So it's copilot.microsoft.com. You'll have to sign in with your Microsoft account, and you'll be able to start creating right there. So we have balanced, precise, and creative. You'll want to use creative. I already have a prompt written, so it's can you create a stylized logo of a crow with a red background using the word in this image. So now that's where your image comes in play. So you'll grab your image in your download and you'll just drag and drop there. And now we'll have it try and create what we were asking for. See if it gets the names right and all that. It can get the name wrong, like in a couple of images. It's going to give you like 4 images. And maybe 2 will be right, maybe only 1 will be right. And then you'll have to like ask it to try again, and then you can prompt it to like add feathers or make the font more spooky or whatever you want, whatever you'd like. Now it's working. We'll see what it comes up with. While it works as magic. Come on, Copilot. Show me the magic. It usually doesn't take that much time. It takes like maybe like a minute, maybe a bit less, maybe a bit more, depending on how complex your prompt is, maybe. I'm not sure. See, mine is pretty simple, and it's still taking like a minute and a half, 2 minutes. So while we let that work, see, it couldn't get the eye. It wasn't able to get the eye correctly, but it got a couple, of the letters right, and it looks pretty good. So If that happens, ask it to try again. And you might as well be polite with it because you don't know. Now, if you want to remove the background from these, you have to make sure that the elements that you don't want to go away are not the same color as the background. That's something else you'll want to write in the prompt to make sure like you don't lose like the red in the back here, the red around and the red in the crow when you remove the background. If you want to remove the background, you don't have to, but if you do want to remove the background, you can use like I'll show you like I'll put one in the description. But you can just go on Google and write background remover, and there's a bunch of different sites that have background removers. Some have better results than others, depending on how like if it's in a circle like this and has like a good outline, it usually does a good job removing the background. Okay, see, we got this one is somewhat right. This one is written completely fine. So even if it takes like 3 prompts or whatever, you'll still get a good result eventually. Now, if you want to add more stuff or anything, we can make it more minimalistic. Add some wings to the crow. Um, you know, we can make the crow white. You ask it to make the crow white or add whatever. You make the crow completely black or something. But for sure, if you want to remove the background, like these might not work because it's gonna try and remove everything that's red. And you can have it change the font too. But like this font is nice. This font is pretty simple. This font is nice too. Let's see what it comes up with when you ask it to have like a white crow. And if it can get the word right on the image you like. The quotes in the image really help to like emphasize the writing. Like see, it didn't get the I here. It didn't get the I anywhere. So you'll have to try again. But if we still ask it to try again with the prompt, these might come out well if you remove the background. Like this one is really cool. Ask it to try again with the same prompt. But anyways, you pretty much get the gist of it. That's how you can actually create a nice looking logo uh without working too hard, I guess. And it's free, completely free. But this is the one I like to use. It's remove.bg. It does a great job for me when you have an appropriate image that actually can be uh background removed without messing up the, like, let's say the red in the back here. This might mess up because it's going to try and remove all this red and it's going to remove all the other pieces of red. So I got one right. So that's a good one. This one is good. And if you want to try again with one that has a right prompt that you like, you can actually download it and use it as a reference image after. So we'll download that, and we'll see if it can actually have its background removed correctly. So once you downloaded the image you want, just go ahead and drag and drop that right in the page, and we'll see if it can do a good job. It's a little messed up. So like, you'll have to try with different types of images if you really want to have the background removed. Or you can like restore it. You can use the restore stuff. So I can use restore, use a brush size, and you can actually have it restore what you don't want to lose. But you'll have to be really precise with the brush if you don't want to have like coloring that's out of the line and stuff like that. This will probably come out not so nice because I'm not very stable with the mouse. But we'll see. We'll see what it can do. Yeah, see, it doesn't come out very nice, but you can actually try with different images and stuff like that. So that's how you make your own logo with your own AI generated logo for free with Copilot and Canva. Thanks for watching, and leave a like and subscribe if you don't mind. Also, if you want to help other people that leave comments in the bottom, you can like tell them what prompts you used or whatever, you know. Help each other in the comment section. All right, I'm out. Bye.